Good day, sir. We discuss about ship routing and the purpose of ship routing informations in ensuring safe and efficient navigation. What is ship routing? Ship routing refers to the process of determining and following a predetermined course for the ship to navigate safely and efficient, often in congested or hazardous area.
Routing system are a system predetermined routes and related measures that are recommended for use by and may be made mandatory for all ship center categories of ship or ship carrying certain cargoes when adapted and implemented in accordance with the guidelines and criteria developed by the IMO and are designed for contribute to the safety of life. Atasi safety and efficiency of navigation and or protection of the marine environment SOLAS Chapter 5 Rigs 10.
Purpose: reducing collision risk, improving traffic flow, enhancing safety. Reducing risk. Ship routing helps prevent collisions by separating traffic and defining clear routes. Improving traffic flow. Routing optimizes traffic flow, reducing congestions and promoting smoother navigation. Enhancing safety. By avoiding hazardous areas and following established routes, helps ships can minimize the risk of accident.
Routing measures include recommended route stream, traffic separation, recommended track, separation zone or line, precautionary areas, traffic line, area to be avoided at the roundabout, no anchoring area, deep water route, establish direction of the traffic flow, ensuring traffic zone, recommended direction of traffic flow, tollway route. Routing measuring recommended route. According to the General Prevention of Ship Routing, a recommended route is a route of undefined width for the convenience of ship to transit which is often marked by Centerline West General Prevention of Ship Routing adopted of November 20, 1985 IMO Resolution E57214 as admitted at 219. Routing measure recommended track. According to the General Prevention on Ship Routing, a recommended track is a route that has been specially examined to ensure so far as possible that it is free of danger and along with ship are advised to navigate General Prevention on Ship Routing adopted of November 20, 1985 IMO Relation 57214 as admitted to 110. Routing measure precautionary area. Channel Island. The traffic separation chain approaching Los Angeles, Long Beach on the California coast include the precautionary areas of seat link including the Los Angeles, Long Beach breakwater because of heavy traffic on this area. The routing measure advised vessel to not occur to linger in the visionary areas except when picking up or disembarking of pilot. Routing measure area to be avoided. At the general, this area should be established only in place where ina- inadequate survey or insufficient provision of aids to navigation may lead to danger to stranding. Local knowledge is considered initial for ship passage. There is the possibility that unac- unacceptable damage to the environment could result from a causality order may be hazard to a vital aid to navigation. General prevention on ship routing adopted on November 20, 1985, IMO Resolution 57214 as admitted 5 routing measure establish direction of traffic flow. According to the General Prevention of Ship Routing and Establish Direction of Traffic Flow is a traffic flow pattern indicating the directional movement of traffic as established within a traffic separation chain. General Prevention on Ship Routing adopted November 20, 1985 IMO Resolution A.57 to 14 as admitted to 115. Routing measure recommended direction of the traffic flow. Chapter 5 Regulation of 100 if seat length of SOLAS as admitted provides for the establishment of ship routing system including recommended traffic flow direction and recognized to IMO as the international body with the authority to establish and adopt such measure. International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea Solas of November 1, 1974, 1184 UNTS.
Routing measures. Recommended directions of traffic flow. Chapter 5 Regulation 1 of Site Length of SOLAS as amended provides of the establishment of ships routing system including recommended traffic flow directions and recognize the IMO as the international body with the authority to establish and adopt such measures. Traffic Separation Scheme (TSS). Chapter 5 Regulation 10 of SOLAS as amended provides the establishment of ships routing system including a TSS and recognized the IMO as the international body with the authority to establish and adopt such measure. Traffic separation zone or line. According to the general provisions of ships routing, a separation zone or line is a zone or line separating the traffic lines in which ships are proceeding in opposite or nearly opposite directions or separating a traffic lane from the adjacent sea area or separating traffic lanes designated for particular classes of ships proceeding in the same directions. Traffic lane. Approach to the Chesapeake Bay. There are 4 separate traffic lanes in the approach to the Chesapeake Bay, each with an established directions of traffic flow. The northern 2 lines are divided by a separation line, while the southern 2 lines are divided by deep water route. Roundabout. Roundabouts includes a circular separation zone 2 miles wide in diameter and then a circular traffic line 2.5 miles wide around the circular separation zone. The roundabout can be entered and exited by ships going from the arm of the Forva to the Bosco Channel and back.
Routing measure deep water route. According to the General Prevention on ship routing. A deep water route is a route within defined limit which has been accurately surveyed for clearance of sea bottom and submerged obstacle and indicated on the chart General Prevention on Ship Routing adopted of November 20, 1985, IMO Resolution E57214 as amended to 111. Routing measure ensure traffic zone. Chapter 5 Regulation 100 feet length of SOLAS as admitted provides for the establishment of ship routing system including ensure traffic zone and recognize the IMO as the international body with the authority to establish and adopt such measure. International convention for the safety of the life at sea SOLAS of November 1, 1974, 1184 UNTC.
Routing measures towway route. Olympic Coast. The towway route in the Olympic Coast International Marine Sanctuary was adopted in 2002 and then updated in 2006. It recommended routes within the U.S. waters and the U.S. water of the Strait of Juan de Fuca from smaller, slower moving vessels such as tugs, barges, smaller fishing vessels that usually do not use traffic separation scheme. Conclusion: ship routing information is an indispensable tool for safe and efficient navigation, contributing to maritime safety, economic efficiency, and environmental protection. It is used to strongly encourage and, in many cases, mandatory for mariners to ensure the success and sustainability of maritime operation.